Look at me when I'm talking to you.
Ada, I'm tired. Not today.
It's never today anymore. When last did you reach for me? Not because you wanted something, but because you wanted me.
We've talked about this. Stress, work.
Or maybe someone else.
Don't start what you won't survive.
We share the same bed, but I've been carrying this alone. I thought I could protect him from the truth.
Why is my wife tagged on another man's page? With dates I recognize. Ada, who is Sola?
Who?
Don't lie, I saw the comments, the pictures, the dates.
I didn't cheat on you!
Then explain why another man is thanking you for everything.
After the second year, your mother said I was wasting your destiny. She arranged him.
Arranged who?
Sola. She said a woman who cannot give a man a child must help herself.
And you agreed.
I was scared you would leave.
So the child we are waiting for is already breaking this marriage.
Hold on. Before you ask, yes, the video you just watched is 100% AI generated and completely free. Multiple characters, Nigerian accents, raw emotion, and it's going absolutely viral on TikTok and Instagram right now. And here's the thing nobody's telling you. The secret weapon that makes these videos blow up isn't the visuals, it's the voice, the accent, the authentic delivery that makes people stop scrolling. I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral storytelling videos for free using any accent you want: Nigerian English, Jamaican patois, Spanish, Southern American, New York accent, whatever connects with your audience. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete system to start making videos like this today. Look at these accounts. Some are pulling in millions of views on a single story, and this is faceless content that literally anyone can create from their bedroom. But here's what most people miss when they try to replicate this. They focus on the animation quality and completely ignore what actually makes people stay. It's the dialogue, the accent, the natural conversation flow that makes it feel real. That's where 99% of creators fail. They use generic American or British AI voices that kill the authenticity. Let me show you the exact process. First, you need a story that hooks people in the first 3 seconds and keeps them watching until the twist. The accounts dominating this space all follow specific story patterns: relationship drama, family conflict, betrayal, revenge, shocking revelations, stories with high emotional stakes. Here's my method for finding winning ideas. Go to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram and search for storytelling accounts in your niche. This YouTube account has amazing stories that can be used to create short videos like this. Look at their top-performing videos, the ones with millions of views. Pay attention to the story structure, the conflict, the pacing. But don't just copy their stories. Use them as inspiration to create something fresh. That's exactly what I did with the story I created. Now, head to ChatGPT. I've created a master prompt that does all the heavy lifting for you. It generates the script, designs the characters, designs the scenes, creates image prompts, and gives you animation instructions, all in one go. There are 5 phases in it, so you don't have to keep going back and forth correcting ChatGPT. This workflow removes guesswork. You change the story brief, and everything else just works. I said, you are an expert cinematic storytelling and AI video production assistant. I want to create a short, emotionally gripping relationship drama using restrained, modern cinematic storytelling. The story should feel realistic, mature, and suitable for an international audience. Include the length of your story, for example, 90 seconds. It's a long prompt, so I will leave it for you in the description as a Google Doc, and you can fill in your story brief and tweak it. ChatGPT will give you the story and break it down into scenes that include the dialogue of the characters. Read through what it gives you and decide whether you're happy with it. Next, we need to generate consistent character images. Copy the character prompts from ChatGPT and head over to Google Whisk. It's completely free. Paste the character prompt, set your aspect ratio, I experimented with 1:1 and 9:16 aspect ratios before I made up my mind on the characters to go with, then hit generate. If it's not what you envision, refine the prompt and regenerate. Since it's free, you can iterate as many times as you need. Do this for every character in your story. Next, create the scenes. In the same way, copy the scene prompt from ChatGPT, go back to Whisk, and create the scenes. I had to tweak and redo some prompts a little to get what I wanted. Now that we have our characters and scenes created, image generation becomes super easy. In Whisk, make sure you have expanded the left tab. For every image you're creating, add the characters that appear in the scene under the subject section at the top. If it's one character, add one character. If there are multiple characters, all the characters that should be in the image should be added under the subject section. Since I've created all my characters, I'm going to drag them from here and drop them under subject. To add more characters, simply click the plus sign here and drop your character in this box. Do the same with the scenes. Drag and drop the scene images under Scene. This lets you combine multiple characters and put them in the scenes where they should appear. Go to ChatGPT and copy the image generation prompt. Paste it here. Select your aspect ratio. Since I'm creating this for YouTube, I'll go with 16:9. For TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, you would choose 9:16. Click here and turn on Precise Reference. As you can see, it uses Nana Banana. That's how it retains consistency. And generate. Repeat if necessary. That is how I generated all my images. This is where Grok AI becomes absolutely game-changing. Most AI video tools either don't support custom accents or sound completely unnatural. Grok nails it. Go to Grok AI and sign in. When you reach your dashboard, click your profile at the bottom left, then go to Settings, then Behavior, and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. This prevents Grok from auto-generating videos and burning through your daily credits. You will instead manually hit Generate only when you're ready. Now, click Imagine at the top, switch to video mode, click Attach, then Upload a file. Upload your scene image. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and always add no background music to your prompt. Otherwise, all your videos will have various different background music that you don't want. My prompt specifies Nigerian English, as that is what I was going for. I toned it down a bit, but you can stick to the original if you want a stronger accent. Hit Generate and wait a few seconds. It may generate 2 versions. Preview both and download the best one. If you're not satisfied, click Redo. Repeat the process for all your images and download all your clips. Once all your clips are downloaded, bring them into a video editor of your choice. I used CapCut, also available for free. Import all your scene clips and drag them onto the timeline sequentially. Now, because these clips are stitched together, you need transitions to make it feel seamless. Click Transitions at the top and find the ones you want to use. Since the video clips are a few seconds long, the length of your transitions should not exceed 0.5 seconds. I went with one type of transition for my video. You may add music and sound effects to keep viewers engaged. Search under Audio or import your own, but make sure they are copyright-free. I also added captions. To do that, click Captions at the top and select the style you want to go with. Make sure it's easy to read and doesn't overpower the visuals. Then click Generate Captions. CapCut will transcribe everything. You can review the captions and fix any errors. Once done, export your video. And that's it. Everything you need to create viral AI storytelling videos, completely free. If this helped you, hit like and let me know in the comments what type of niche you are thinking of going for. As always, I read all your comments and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.